Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another flip through. Here are my hands. Hope y'all are doing well. Okay, so we're in November of 2019. I realize it is now probably March of 2020. So we're gonna get through these flip throughs so that I can start showing you my latest flip throughs, which are current. Okay, so November. So this was the 9th. I don't know if you remember from the last flip through, but these stamped numbers right here came from my dear friend Allison at AJ's Inspired Life. And then right next to them, I have my date stickers that I order each month from Brooke at Recreations by Brooke. Okay, so this right here is just a magazine, a piece of magazine, clipping from a magazine. Hello. Ay, ay, ay. And I made it into a pocket. And here's the journaling. Not very much. I did not do very much more journaling in this part of November. I might go back to it. I might not. I'm really not sure. This is a Mamma Mia's, and we got a white pizza. So I kept the menu and put that on the back. So lazy morning, cooler out, and getting cooler as the day goes on. We've had a very mild winter. Got my hair, oh yeah, I got all my hair cut off. Yeah, it had been growing out just because I didn't want to go spend money to get my hair cut. Anyway, yeah, it had been growing out and it was just out of control. So I just went with my husband wherever he goes and gets his, like to the barber shop. But anyway, at any rate, got my hair cut and I did not end up liking it, but whatever. Whatever, hair grows back, I don't really care. So anyway, that was that day. Okay, on this day here, this is, again, another magazine clipping. At this point in time, I was so behind in my journaling that I do believe at this point in time, I was still working on journaling my August, okay, my summer. So I was just sticking little things in here and there. And this is like a picture, and it came out really poorly because my ink was running out in my printer. But it is a crochet pumpkin that I made for my daughter's desk. So that's what I did apparently on that day. Now let's see. Okay, my daughter was off this day. It was Veterans Day. So and I received my date stickers from Brooke. She always puts her lovely artwork on the front, and I always cut it out and make a pocket. And I do remember this day well. My daughter was off this day, so she and I went out and about, and it was a lot of fun spending the day with her. I did my normal Monday stuff first, went for my walk, called grandma, uploaded a ramble, all of that, and then Beauty Queen and I went out. So, yeah, we just went shopping around, because this was before Christmas, of course, so we were doing a little bit of Christmas shopping, and we had some tacos at Taco Rico. Yep, we shared a meal, and then we stopped off at Starbucks where Beauty Queen treated me to an iced coffee, so that was yummy. Yep. And then when we got home, we just relaxed and watched TV, and I was slowly starting to work on the tile grout. And then a bunch of these are just, yeah, they still smell. This smells like rose, sleep. We went to Bath and Body Works. Oh, that smells good. Men's Fresh Water, yeah. Men's Graphite. Beach, oh yeah. She went to Ulta, which, ugh. I don't wear makeup, so I cannot stand those places. But at any rate, it was a great time with my daughter. So I had a lot of fun just spending the day with her. So that was nice. On here, guess what? No journaling at all. I made the tag just out of a piece of scrapbook paper, a little thing I had in my stash, some washi tape, and then backed it with some graph paper. Yeah. And then this is a picture of my craft room, the finished result of my craft room, I do believe. I've moved some things around of late, but anyway, it looks pretty much like that. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it below. It's a tour of my craft room. On this day, I did no journaling, but I can tell you from this gigantic tag right here, This is what I did for my Christmas cards this year. For like my, Facebook, YouTube friends, things like that. My online friends, I suppose you could say. And so I watercolored little tags. And so what I did was I photocopied it onto cardstock, enlarged it, so that it fit the whole page, and then just made it into a tag. So that's what I was doing. And then on this day here, this is just like a notepad paper. It's just like a collage thing in the back. I just stuck a bunch of stuff on, put this little canoeing raccoon, I guess. And I was in a cleaning frenzy all day. Yep, so I was cleaning the grout in the hallway. Yeah, that is an exhausting job. Yeah, so, okay, so I had been in pain, yeah, because like bending and squatting and all of that, yeah, it's not good. So anyway, yeah, it says I'll be 50 this year. Is it an age thing? I don't know. I don't know. My mind says I'm still in my 30s though, so that's all good. Eric came over again. This was a Thursday. Why was he over on a Thursday? That's my daughter's boyfriend. Usually he comes over on Tuesdays. Oh, you know what? Yeah, okay. So he was coming over to practice talking to the camera again because he had a video interview for a job out where my son works. And yeah, so he was asking Big Handsome's opinion and all of that, and then just like practicing. And then, oh, okay. And then I guess, let me see. Oh, so then at the final taping, oh yeah, I remember this. At the final taping, he had been like practicing all evening, and then at the final taping, the questions were different. The poor thing. So yeah, I was hoping it didn't throw him off too badly, but he thinks he did well enough, so. Yep, so we'll see. Sunshine was up there early, so he was fine, but geez, okay, what's going on here? Um, oh, okay, yeah, this just talks about when my son went through the same process that my daughter's boyfriend is going through now. It's just long, it's arduous, it's very stressful. Okay, so here are just some pages that I had started to do. This is like a little pocket here. Never did the journaling. Here is, oh, I did put a tag here. See, I made the tag and everything and never put my journaling. Now, in my phone, I do have my notes, so I can at any time, when I feel like it, go back and finish these pages. So I'm not worried about it. And then time for throws. It must have been cold. Yep. So there's that. And then on this day here, I had worked on these right here, and I think I ended up turning these. I ended up making some into cards, into thank you cards for my 3 girlfriends. Yeah. So that was fun. And this is just, again, a clipping from a magazine, so I just put that in there. Again, I have notes in my phone. I just never put them in here. On this day here, must have been, let me see here. It was my husband. So he had some kind of procedure done on this day. On this day, I'm not really sure what happened, but again, I do have notes. This day here, this right here tells me that I was sending out my family newsletter. So we must have run errands, or maybe this was the day that I got my stickers to write them out. I'm not sure, but at any rate, we went by Sonic. And then on this day here, this was a Friday, so we went down to the Keys, I'm sure. And we went to the Chinese food place because my husband likes the soup there. Now, this was really cool. I was sitting out on the patio and looking off into the sky, and I could see Jupiter and Venus and Saturn quite clearly, and it was really super cool. Now, this weekend, I know my son and daughter, here's a lovely picture of my gems there at Epcot. Up in Disney World, that's the one in Florida. So they went up just for the weekend because I do believe the Food and Wine Festival was going on at this time. So they went up there and had, yeah, I think it was just like an overnighter type of thing. So they had a lot of fun. And then here, let's see, almost a total bad day for me. Neither Big Handsome nor I felt good. He watched football most of the day. I got about 13 pages complete in my August book. Holy cow. Again, this is in November and I'm still working in my August book at this time. Now, obviously I know that when you're seeing this, we're probably in March. So yeah. Anyway, that was that. And then on this day here, see, we're getting closer and closer to Thanksgiving. That's why we were down south. And then here are my gems here. They had come down to spend a few days with us, and they were on a Lego kick because they had just gotten back from Epcot and Disney World and all that, and so they might have gotten these while they were up there, or they went to the Lego store or something. So there they are building their Legos. My daughter got Harry Potter, my son got Star Wars. They're just big kids. Here's just a map of the keys. I had finally finished Big Handsome's new Lark's Foot throw, so that was a lot of fun. He absolutely loves this throw. And then here again, I was stargazing, and this is a picture I took from our balcony. Look at that beautiful sunset. No filters, no nothing. And these were the stars, right? Oh my gosh. I'm not really sure which one was the brightest one. Let me see here. I think it was Venus. This was Venus, and this was Jupiter. Crazy, 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 but it was so cool. It was I've never seen them like that, or that I've noticed. And then on this day here, I got the sweetest happy mail from my sweet sister Karen down under. And these are all things from her package. And one of the things she sent me was a Daphne's diary. So that was super duper fun. And yeah, it was just so sweet. So sweet. And I have her little card in here, and she just spoils me. So thank you, Karen, if you're watching. Yeah, it was just great. So I used one of the pages as my background. And these are her stickers, some of her stickers and washi and stuff from her packaging. So sweet. And then this was Thanksgiving Day, I do believe. Excuse me. So I made a tag out of a guest check, right? So cute. This is one of Brooke's stickers from her date packet. And then I was going to write the menu that my husband had made up. On this day here, I must have been painting a pink Christmas tag, and I actually ended up sending this to sweet Christy Biddleston's alley cat, her daughter, and so I hope she enjoyed her little pink Christmas tree tag. Yeah, so I remember doing that, and Christy has a lovely YouTube channel, so I'll make sure to link her below, so those go there. Okay, let's finish this up. Here's 29 and 30 right here. These are the 2 pages. These are some things I've collected. Not sure if I'm going to use them or not. Here are these are photocopies of some of the watercolors I had done on cards, but these are photocopies of the original. And I really like that one. So yeah, I made these into tags. Here's one I wasn't really fond of, but oh, here's the, nope, no, here's the original. I was looking for this. I had done that one of these days, and yeah, painted this. This is just painted with my Arteza watercolors. Links will be below. But I painted it not on watercolor paper. I painted it on regular cardstock, and it did not warp hardly at all, and it came out really cool. So anyway, there's that. Yeah, and then that's it. Okay, that's it, folks, for November. Part of it done, part of it not done, and that was the story of my life back in 2019. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will thank you for your time, and thank you for sharing it with me, and I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk at y'all real soon. Bye for now.